It's about 2 years ago. I took care of this woman, and she was a psychiatric patient. Brought her into the room, and could tell that she was hearing voices. She was very paranoid. I went into the patient. I asked her if she wanted some medication to help her with her anxiety. She refused the medication. As I was leaving the room, I never entirely turned my back to her. I went out to on the side of the room, and she jumped off the stretcher. She came towards me, and because I was not in front of her, she jumped onto one of the paramedic students. Security was called. It did take a few minutes for them to get there. We all got her back into the room and laid her face down on the bed. We did not have enough help at that time, and she was very, very strong. She started kicking the security guard in the head, and at that time I had to lay down on top of the patient's body and restrain her leg because we didn't have enough security to restrain her at that time. She was trying to kick. She actually did kick me, and she kicked the security guard in the head. She ended up, the security guard got injured. Paramedic student was okay, but I think he was a little shocked that the woman came at him like that. I did have some injuries to my back and to my hands, and then I ended up leaving. Another nurse actually took over for me, and later that afternoon she did get assaulted by the same patient, and she ended up with some severe injuries from this same woman.